As we traveled down the line, we decided to check the Kildane ironworks just to look for survivors. Sadly, no one was there. The only thing which remained was the hollowed-out corpse of another engine, whose shape was all too familiar. There was only one Great Western pannier tank on the island, and we knew we had lost Duck. He had no eyes and a gaping hole in his forehead. Just the sight of him made me want to vomit. Several pieces had been ripped off of him. He was missing a side rod and a few sections of handrails. To add to that, it seemed as if the whole engine was completely hollow. Boiler tubes, water tanks, and bunker all empty. Even the ashes at the bottom of his firebox were gone. We decided to leave, and while doing so, we spotted Harry and Brett, the Ironworks twins. They were empty shells tossed aside off the line. They didn't stick around for long.